Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make this beautiful kundan earring set. To make this, we'll need these materials. If you want to purchase this, you can go through my description link and you can get 10% off in these products. These products are from the design card shop. They have an excellent quality material, so I prefer to purchase from them. So now let's quickly get started. Okay, so first of all, we'll take this jump connector ring, open it with the help of pincer a little bit, and then insert these kundans one by one like this. Just hold this connector with the help of pincer only. It will be easier to insert these kundans. So total I had inserted around 7 kundans in the connector ring. Now take a needle and the thread and insert this needle onto the kundan and tie a knot. Now put around 4 red beads onto this needle and insert it. Then again insert this needle onto the kundan. Then again take 4 beads and insert it into the thread. Now again the needle into the kundan. So likewise you need to make a round circle like this. No need to give a knot every time you insert the needle onto the kundan. Just first time you need to make it to lock it, and then this is done. And lastly we'll again insert this and give a knot. Now cut the wire. So our circle is ready. Now we'll put one more jump connector ring onto this red bead with the help of pincer. Just open it and insert onto this pearl. Now we'll add one red bead and then one kundan and then again one red bead and close it like this. So it will look like this. Now we'll take one earring post and insert one red bead and fold it with the help of pincer like this. And we'll insert this onto the kundan, the last one we had inserted before, onto them, and lock it like this with the help of pincer. So the overall earring will look like this. Now in the middle I'll insert one more bead. For that just take one earring post and with the help of the glue we'll stick this red bead. You can use any stone also in this and leave it for around 5 to 10 minutes to stick it properly, and then just insert it in the middle of this earring and again put the glue just to stick it properly. Just let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes again, and our earring is done here. So I hope you understood today's basic jewelry making session. If you want to buy these products, do check out the link in the description box below and get 10% off on your purchase using my code sewingisfun10. I will be uploading more such videos in the coming days, so do let me know any specific pattern you want to learn in the comment section. See you in the next video.